Good afternoon. This is Dr. Weldon, and I'm going to discuss with you what we're doing in week 2. First off, on week 1, we finished the discussion boards. I'm still grading a few of those. And then tonight, the deadline for all the other assignments from week 1 will have passed, and I will begin grading those as well. So we'll grade those tonight and the first part of tomorrow as well. So on week 2, I just want to clarify some things, so make sure that we eliminate some of the confusion. All right. So week 2 is where we are. And so the first part of it here is I took a snapshot of all the assignments from the complete section, and we're going to create a word cloud. And from that, you'll do it from the readings you had, and also, which is chapter 3 and 4, and also from the videos that you will watch in the attend section. The second thing, we're going to evaluate an educational website by completing the website evaluation form. And third, we're going to continue our Google training from week 1. So those are the 3 things we're working on. So the reading materials, it's in the reading section in chapter 3. It begins on page 53, and it goes through chapter 4 on page 83 as well. So we want to do the reading materials because they'll be used in our discussion board activities. The attend videos, there are 3 videos from Dr. Ross that are super. They're fantastic. And then it's topics 4, 5, and 6. So you should be able to watch those as well. The discussion boards, these are the questions from the discussion boards, and these are from your reading materials and from Dr. Ross's videos. So those are the 4 that we'll be answering. They need to be done Sunday by 6 o'clock so that I can do some of the grading on Sunday night so we can get some of these done. So because now all the content is out and in the right place, we're going to try to make sure that we hit those deadlines in terms of discussion boards. I need these done by 6 o'clock Sunday, and the other assignments, the activity assignments, by Sunday at midnight. So that'll help me get at least these discussion boards done so we don't play catch up for the rest of the week. The Wordle assignment, not too bad. It's going to be, you're going to create a Wordle and you're going to write a paragraph about technology in the classroom and what you've learned, and you're going to have a product similar to that when you're done. Okay. We're going to evaluate a website, and I went and got one from a standard place from the Owls from Purdue, and it's pretty straightforward. So you're going to do that assignment as well, where you're going to look at a standard website that you're getting research from or using in a classroom setting, and we're going to evaluate it for its overall effectiveness. Okay, so you will use that. It is in our course materials. Okay, so you'll be able to find it in there. Now, I want to clarify on this part here. We're on part 2 of the Google Certified Educator. We're only doing 1. We are not doing 2. So anybody that does level 2, stop. We're just doing 1. Okay, we're going to finish up through unit 16, all right, which is all of level 1. Next week, we'll be taking the Google level 1 quiz. Okay, there is a $10 fee that applies to that. So I just want to let you know, heads up, but that one is from your Google Certified Educator. And it's not going to be tough. I'll send you a little snapshot video of how to record or have your evidence. I got that a few times from folks earlier, and we'll make sure that we add that as well so that you understand how to take a snapshot the easiest way. And I'll give you 3 different methods that we'll use, okay? So that's on the Google training. Don't do level 2, okay? It says it, but don't. I was trying to change it on the course materials. It wouldn't let me. Remember, this is our grading components. Just reflect upon that from the syllabus. Our calendar, it says chapter 3, 4, 5. I think it's just chapter 3 and 4. We have attend videos, complete activities, and work on your Google training for this week. I will get your grades in there as soon as we can. I have 47 of you, so it's a lot. So we're trying to make sure I did the discussion boards. We got those taken care of, except for about 8 to 10 people that had to go and do some changes to theirs. So we'll address those tonight, and then I'll start grading the other assignments from the end of last week, which was basically tonight too, which was the virtual field trip and your student profiles ratings. Those are the 2 I'm looking at primarily. All right. So I think we're good. Just want to make sure I clarified that everything is going to be in the classroom section so that you'll be able to see that. I'm showing my screen right now. I was about to go to a point, but if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Anybody on assignments that have submitted them to me where I made some changes, I will be able to look at those in just getting off work now, so that I'll get home tonight and start looking into your materials as well. So I hope everybody had a solid first week, and now that we're caught up and we have all our materials in place, that's what we're doing for week 2. Okay, so everything should be straightforward from here on. Deadlines again, it's going to be all discussion boards 6 p.m. on Sunday. All other activities, right, that's going to be at midnight. So just want to let you know the snapshot here kind of covered that pretty straightforward. The Wordle and the website, those two, we got to make sure that we have those turned in by midnight. And the Google education one is going to be a snapshot of your screen, and I'll make sure that y'all can do that. I'll send just a little dedicated video just to do that later in the week, okay? All right. Well, I hope everybody has a good week, and look forward to seeing from you or talking to you later in the week. Bye now.